Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and securing the workspace so you won't short anything. Once done, pry the radio trim carefully with a plastic tool and remove visible screws. You want clear access to the front. Make photos or mark the control positions so you can restore alignment later. Now gently pull the unit forward enough to reach the volume shaft. Feel for clips and wiring harnesses and release them methodically so you don't damage connectors or dash trim. You examine the volume shaft and potentiometer to determine why it slips or clicks. If the knob splines are stripped, the shaft will spin without turning the pot. If resistance jumps, the pot is worn or dirty. Clean the assembly with an electronics cleaner, rotate the shaft while spraying, and use a small brush to remove grime. This often restores smooth contact. If cleaning doesn't stabilize resistance or the splines are ruined, you'll swap the knob you're reassembling now. Reconnect the wiring harness, seat the radio evenly, and tighten mounting screws without over-torquing. Once in place, attach the knob and power up. Test the volume slowly across the full range at a low level to catch scratchy spots or dropouts. If you still hear noise or intermittent control, remove the unit and inspect solder joints and connector pins for corrosion or cold joints. And if necessary, replace the pot with a verified compatible unit. This usually resolves lingering faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.